G'day, g'day, comrade subscribers. Sorry, I've been a bit slack lately. Just no interest. And I don't know, just feeling a bit overwhelmed, I guess, with all these things I'm trying to do. Kind of like the gears in your brain kind of get seized up. Anyway, big thanks to my fellow Amstrad enthusiast here in Port, Aaron. He's had a quick look at my 664 running Knowles Diagnostics, and it looks like maybe it's the RAM. So he gave it back to me and with his little diagnostic board. So it's basically just a ROM, not from Knowles Retro Lab, that you can actually replace the internal ROM with. So, but we'll run it as a external ROM for now. So let's see. I've got the video hooked. I need to get the power hooked up. So I'm not bothered with the disk drive at the moment. I just need the 5 volts in for the power. So let me get that set up, and we'll try the video capture, and we'll check out what the diagnostics ROM says. Okay, I think I'm ready to go. I've been chatting to Aaron, and I've got, because it's a 32K ROM, so he's got 2 diags on it. So I've got switch to the right and the switch up. So I think that should be Knowles Diagnostic ROM. So that's the original ROM here. It's not socketed at the moment. That's the disk ROM there. So I could put the diagnostic ROM in here, but I'd have to de-socket. I'd have to de-solder that first. And as you can see, some of the RAM has already been replaced, and some still needs hasn't been replaced, obviously. And I've got Charlie's V-Retro replacement gal. So let's try it out. I finally got the diagnostic ROM to run again. So yeah, 7 out of the 8 DRAM have been replaced, 1 remaining. So we're getting past the faulty DRAM test now, and you can see on the screen now that's what we're getting. So corrupted text. So I have swapped the Z80, so I've got a 2021 one in there. Hasn't made any difference. So another suggestion is maybe the multiplexers. So there are multiplexers for the RAM, which is IC 108, 104, 105, 113. So there's 104. That's 105. So that's something else, I think. That's 109. So I'm looking for 110. Well, there's 113. So I've got 104, 113, and I'm looking for another 153. There's another 153. Nope. And I will find it. Now they're all in the 2s over there, so unless the schematic's wrong. Anyway. So I'll check the signals on those now. Alright, let's check out the multiplexers. So we'll start with 104. The outputs are pins 7 and 9. So they go to the DRAM according to the schematic here. So if we do pin 7, let's go auto. Let's put the trigger up there, shall we? I don't know, that looks a bit funny, doesn't it? What do you reckon? I don't know if that looks right. Alright, so that's one of the output. Pin 7, pin 9. Alright. Okay, the inputs are on pins 5, 6, 10 and 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, that looks much better, doesn't it? That's the input. 5, 6. Okay, and 10 and 11. 9, 10. And 11. So the inputs look alright, but the outputs look pretty... Ugh. Okay. Let's have a look at the next one along, 105. Let's have a look at one of the outputs, 7 and 9. Okay, let's look at 109, that's another multiplexer. 7 and 9. That almost looks okay. So I don't know, do I have to swap out the multiplexers? I've not the ROM, so I'm just going to have a quick look at the ROM. I'm just randomly choosing pins on the ROM. Ugh. That looks nice. That looks nice. That looks nice. But when we get down here, ugh. What's that? That's pin 10. That's pin 10. 11. 12. 13. And then 14, I guess, is ground. That's pin 15. I'll go back up, so pin 1, pin 2, pin 2, pin 3. See, they all look nice, don't they? Interesting. Where's the other multiplexer? Here's another multiplexer, 113, pin 7. Let's just auto that. let's just adjust the trigger level. Pin 7, pin 9. Yeah. I don't know about the, while I'm here, just have a quick look at some of these CRT controller pins. See anything on here? See, that looks good. I'm not sure, so maybe I should try replacing one. Yes, maybe I could try replacing one of these multiplexes. Just not sure. 108, 104, 113 and 105. Okay, so 113, 110. Oh no, that's not it, sorry. 109, 105, 104. Unless that 8 is... Oh, I don't know where 108 is then. So, alright, so all 4 MUXs, multiplexes, SIM4LS153, so IC 104, 105, 109, and then over here 113 have all been replaced, and 7 out of 8 DRAMs have also been replaced. This one's the one left, but it's passing the initial diagnostics at the moment. Oh yeah, I've removed the Amstrad ROM. Doesn't make any difference at the moment. So because we're still getting the corrupted text on the screen, so I'm not sure what to do now. I need to have a break from this. All this desoldering has not been fun. Yeah, so I have tried pulling one out and trying it, and you get, like, for example, the RAM fails, I think, if you pull this one out and that one out. So I'm not sure what to do. I don't know, maybe buffers. I'm always replacing buffers. Not a 373, was it a 244 or a 245, depending on whether they're inverting or non-inverting, I guess. So maybe I can replace the buffer next. Yeah, but I might have a break. So I've got a 273 up there. What's a 373? Flip-flops. I don't know. Anyway, whatever. Yeah, so I've got some other things I need to get back onto, including the Husky. So I've got the replacement internal battery, so I can try installing that now. Okay, bye for now.